Welcome back to Uncle Sasquatch Outdoors. Thank you for watching. I've been sanding on the stock for the Lyman Great Plains rifle using 120 grit sandpaper. And the stain that was on there was pretty much hiding some fairly decent grain on this piece of wood. I went to what I thought was 220 grit sandpaper, but it wound up being 320 when I looked. Got the rest of it off, smoothed it down. I wet it down with water, let it set overnight, and then lightly brushed it with some Scotch-Brite to get the hair off of it when you raise the grain on it like that, and to make it smooth so that the finish would take a little bit better on it. I've got some walnut stain that I'm thinking about trying on an inconspicuous spot on it to make sure it doesn't stain it too dark, so you keep some of that grain in it. So I'm going to dabble around with that today and see what happens. If it doesn't suit me, then I'll just go ahead and finish it pretty light. I plan on trying to do some antiquing with bone black around the places where the powder foul and the stuff was stained the stock, like here and the low spots in it. So I'm going to keep working on it. Let's see how it works out. Appreciate you. Keep your powder dry. Mind your top knot, Pilgrim.